I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing playtime. Play as host and participant because hosting often yields higher rewards. Once done, open chests and finish daily sets to convert progress into blooks and tokens. This compounds over days. Also, redeem official promo codes and seasonal event rewards when available, since those deliver free rare blooks. Make sure to track daily timers and set a simple routine so you steadily build currency and collection momentum. No shortcuts, just consistent effort. You accelerate collection by optimizing resource use. Upgrade lower chests with tokens to raise the chance of rare blooks, because probability scales with chest level. Once you have tokens saved, buy curated bundles that guarantee specific rare or themed blooks. Spending tokens or dollar is a trade-off you control. Participate in timed events and leaderboards. Those reward exclusive, limited blooks not found elsewhere. Make sure to balance token spending versus saving, and target bundles that fill gaps in your set. You finish by auditing your account. Claim every pending chest, event box, and inbox reward because unclaimed items waste progress. Once done, if a purchase or reward is missing, contact official support with order receipts, timestamps, and a brief description. This speeds recovery. Make sure to avoid third-party hacks, GitHub scripts, or account sharing. Those can cause permanent bans and lost collections. Troubleshooting tip: if something goes wrong, stop using questionable tools immediately and document the issue before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.